Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the product in the Shopify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the products button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the add your products button. So first you have to add a title to your product. So for example, jacket. You have to give a kind of brief description on the quality, on what it's made of, and color selection if you have, and so on. Then obviously you have to create a price tag, that's up to you, and then you can of course upload some pictures, some photos of it, by either taking a photo of it with the camera function or upload like previously taken photos of it. And then you have to give the amount of shop locations, so where it's made and sent. And then you can add options like size, color, material, size, style, but these are optional. So if you're ready, just click on the save button and your product is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.